ton of bricks. Doesn't matter, weak or strong.
Hey guys, there's a problem on the horizon, and I'm seeing this problem more and more and more. So I thought that I would take a moment to address it. So here it goes. Pillows. People are using the wrong pillows. You're probably thinking, what the hell is he talking about? Okay, if you know me, you know that I love pillows. I'm a big fan of pillows. Pillows can change the entire feeling in a room, but you have to know what type of pillows to use, not just any pillow. I'm talking quality pillows. Now, you're probably asking, what's a quality pillow? Okay, for example, this is a alpaca pillow. It's a beautiful, it's soft. It has this luxurious feeling, but it just adds that extra luxe to a sofa. You should have a great sofa. Sofas are important, so it should be a quality sofa, one that was built well, and the cushions are, wrapped in down, feather, goose down, or what have you. So the quality of the sofa, yes, should be a great sofa. But pillows, what they do is pillows enhance the beauty of a sofa. And when I say a quality pillow, quality pillows go a long way. I'm not saying go out and buy a $500 pillow. In most cases, I do, but that's just me. But adding the right pillow to a sofa will make that sofa sing. Although this is not real fur, but look at it. Look at the quality of it. It's a beautiful pillow. To touch this, to see this in person, you would think this is a very expensive pillow. Well, it wasn't cheap, but it's not super expensive. You have cowhide. Now, this is a cowhide pillow, a knife edge, down insert. I always go with down inserts because it's something about, again, it adds to the quality of the pillow. So this is a cowhide pillow embossed with a skull. And that just adds another layer of personality to the pillow itself. Here's another cowhide with a zebra print on it. I use it a lot for the photo shoot because it just adds that, again, it adds that texture and that luxe to the space. I use mohair a lot. Pillows go a long way. They just change the dynamic. They change the feeling of a room. It just kicks it up a notch or two. Bolsters. I love bolsters. I use them a lot in bedrooms and on sofas, depending on the depth of the sofa. And of course, there's chenille. Again, it just looks, the quality. It's a rich quality. It's something that people gravitate toward. So, pillows. If you want to make a statement, it's easy to make a statement. Invest in some quality pillows. So I'm not saying you have to run out and buy very expensive pillows. I'm just saying that when you do decide on a pillow, make sure it is of quality and that it's not flat. You see some pillows that are just really flat like that. I stay away from flat pillows. So a lot of my pillows, they're sort of meaty. They're meaty. They're sort of substantial. Although it's small, it's still a very substantial pillow. So just buy quality pillows when you do decide on a pillow. And take buying pillows seriously because they make a huge difference when placed on the sofa. Don't just take it for granted by buying any pillow. So that's it. That's my pillow talk for today. Bye. Pillows. Can't live without my pillows.
Hit me like a ton of bricks. Doesn't